y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk easy throw-together meals for a minute. If you're struggling because your weeknights are too busy to even think about cooking, but you're too tired for the same old takeout, I've got you covered with this one-pan Cheesy Spinach Chicken Bake. Start by cutting rotisserie chicken and spinach into bite-sized pieces. In a baking dish, mix together chicken and spinach with ricotta cheese. Add in mozzarella, Parmesan, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon thyme. Now mix it all together and bake for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. I've done all the thinking with this one so you don't have to. And your veggie and your protein are all in one pan, topped with lots of cheese. What could be better than that? Now that's what I call a savvy, easy, cheesy weeknight meal. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.